Hi everyone, James Katangay here at OneCloudX. In this video, I'll be demonstrating NetSuite Sticky Notes, which is a powerful tool that enhances collaboration and improves workflow efficiency by allowing users to attach notes directly to record pages. So whether you need to track important details, communicate with your team, or follow up on critical information, Sticky Notes is an excellent solution. So let's dive in and explore how to install, use, and track notes efficiently in NetSuite. So Sticky Notes is a managed suite bundle and its installation is straightforward. So since it is a suite bundle, we can navigate it to customization, suite bundler, and search and install bundles. So I've already prepared that page here. So in the search bar, type Sticky Notes and click Enter. So look for the bundle named Sticky Notes by NetSuite Platform Solutions Group or PSG because this is the one that we need to install, which is a bundle that is in public. So once we click the name and click the install button here and wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, the feature will be available on applicable NetSuite records. So to verify installation, we can refresh our browser and log out and log back into NetSuite to ensure all settings are applied. And before using sticky notes, we have to make sure the necessary features are enabled. So if we go to Setup, Company Enable Features, and which is under the Suite Cloud tab, we have to make sure that Suite Script and Suite Flow are enabled. And we just need to click Save. And after the feature has been enabled, you can go to the sticky note setup to configure the user preferences and admin setup and access. So I already prepared it here on the next page. So this is a sticky note setup where I can navigate or I can set preferences and admin setup. So for this demo, I put the shortcut key for posting notes to control enter rather than shift enter, but it depends on how easy it is for you to create the note. And I typically I put here send email notification so that the admin or once a note has been created, it will directly send an email to the person that we tagged in on that note. And of course, for it to be available in all of the records, we enable it on all record types, and for it to be available to all users to enable for all roles, and then click save. So that's how easy the preference is being set on the sticky notes setup. And once again, once it is installed and setup has been defined, sticky notes will be available on supported record pages. So for example, it can be available on customer record, on vendor record, sales order invoices, etc. For the purpose of this invoice, I will create a sticky note on a sales order which is currently in pending approval status. And I would like to notify the approver that this needs to be approved ASAP. So you will see here that there are color-coded prioritization. Uh, the red is high, yellow is normal, and green is low. You will see as well here, if you want to hide the note, go to the sticky notes board, go to the preference to shift the display options or choose a different size, note size, or shortcut key for posting notes. And for this example, I'll just create a high important note to Catherine Glass, which is an employee here in my NetSuite demo environment. I can set this as public so that every user can see this. And let me just create here a simple note. Please approve this sales order ASAP, and then click save. So once I click save, it will create a sticky note here on the record itself, and you will see it on the right side. And I have an option here on the actions drop down to mark it as done, to reply, to delete the note, or to archive the note. So for example, I am cashier in class and I need more information about the sales order. I can put here need more information on the pricing before approving this. So let me click save, and another note will be added here so that the reviewer or the one who created the sales order will be notified that he needs more information and just need to tag the one who requested to approve this sales order. So that's how easy and useful the sticky note is. You can click add note, then type your message, and to adjust visibility setting, you can set it as private, which is only visible to you, or public, visible to the team members with access to the record, and just click save. And replying to the sticky note, again, you can click on the existing note to add a reply and to use mention to notify specific users. Remember, if you want to delete a sticky note, you can click on the note as well and select delete or archive if you no longer need it. All right. Tracking and managing notes is essential for accountability and workflow efficiency. So if we go to the list productivity sticky notes board, this board will show all of the sticky notes created in the system. And you can filter these according to priority, creation date, or the record type. You can also leverage the search bar to search for the specific orders or specific note that you would want to take an action. So for example, the one that we just created is this one, the one that is highlighted in red. You will see here that there's a direct link going to the sales order if I want to review the details, or if I go back to the sticky notes board, I can mark it as done, reply from here, delete the note, or archive the note. So assuming that I've already taken action on this note, and then Catherine has already approved this, then I can delete this note already. It will ask for confirmation if you want to delete it. And once you delete it, it will no longer be part of this sticky notes board. So if the sticky notes is not appearing or functioning correctly, you can refresh your browser or clear cache, verify your role permissions to ensure access to sticky notes, and make sure the bundle is properly installed. And lastly, you can check as well NetSuite updates, as some versions may require reinstallation of the feature or the bundle. And as part of the best practices for using sticky notes, we use mentions to notify team members of urgent updates, to keep notes concise and relevant, and regularly review and clear outdated notes to keep records organized. We can leverage sticky notes reporting to track collaboration trends, just like this sticky notes board, and you can add it as well on your shortcuts portlet, just like what did here on this demo account, so that I can easily go to the sticky notes board. That's all for this videos. NetSuite Sticky Notes is a simple yet powerful tool for improving communication, tracking important notes, and ensuring smooth collaboration across teams. If you have any question about NetSuite Sticky Notes management, then please get in touch with us directly here at OneCloudX. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.